Kita ko lang muna sa inyo, isa lang muna. Ayan. What's up YouTube? Gino here, back at it again. And in this video, syempre panibago na namang free play to earn NFT game ang i-feature natin. Question ko is, gusto mo bang mag-Axie Infinity pero wala ang perang pang invest? Naghahanap ka ng manager, gusto mo maging scholar pero walang kumukuha sa'yo? Pues eto, panoorin mo tong video na to. Similar siya sa Axie Infinity pero ang pinaka best part sa kanya is meron siyang play to earn for free. Okay? So, check this out. Check nyo din yung description down below. Meron pa tayong mga ibang contents na in-upload about mga free na mga play-to-earn games. Baka meron kang nagustuhan or magugustuhan doon. O nga pala, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please do not forget to click that like and subscribe button. Click mo din yung bell, set it to all para updated ka sa mga ina-upload natin. Okay, here it goes! Okay guys, so bago tayo mag-proceed dun sa mismong process kung paano tayo magla-login, mag-create ng account, and pakita ko sa inyo yung mismong gameplay din niya. Siyempre, bigyan muna natin kayo ng mga overview. Meron akong pin-prepare na slides dito para mas maintindihan ninyo bago kayo sumabak or pumasok and subukan yung laro. So, pangalan ng game is Ethermon, okay? So, parang Pokemon ng datingan. So, what is Ethermon? Ethermon is one of the first Ethereum-based blockchain games to create interactive non-fungible tokens. So, nilaunch siya 2017 pa, so matagal na siya in existence. So, marami na din siyang players. Current upgraded version was relaunched in 2019 by its most dedicated players and an expanded team. So, lumaki na yung team nila mula nung nag-start sila ng 2017. The Ethermon universe of gaming experiences is continuing to rapidly expand, driven by the belief that the future of gaming is decentralized, cross-platform, and player-owned. Okay, so yun yung history ni Ethermon. So hindi siya bagong-bago ngayon, wala siya sa beta stage na katulad ng iba. Though meron pa rin, kumbaga tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-expand nila ng game, pagdadagdag ng mga game modes na pwede nating magamit. Okay, so game modes. Ethermon continues to evolve alongside the blockchain gaming industry to offer you a diverse range of game modes. So since 2017, we have offered interactive 2D RPG game modes on our site such as PvP auto battle tournaments that you can play in your browser. So browser-based siya. So wala siyang sariling app or software na currently available. Okay? Starting in Q2 of 2021, we launched cross-platform gameplay in Decentraland, allowing you to interact with your mons in 3D and participate in PvE battles across the metaverse. This is just the beginning. Kung nagtataka kayo, ano yung Decentraland? Decentraland is also an NFT game. So, pwede nyo ring i-check yan. Gawan din natin ng content yan para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung anong itsura niyan and paano yan nilalaro. Okay? So, next. So, PvP battles and tournaments. Strategic PvP battles have been at the heart of Ethermon gameplay since its inception, evolving throughout the history of the game. So, mamaya makikita din ninyo yun. Papakita ko yung sinasabi niya ng mga tournament mode para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So, tournament mode consists of 4 competitive battle ladders. First is beginner, next is intermediate, third is expert, and number 4 is matic or off-chain only. So, to compete against other players, teams, or prizes in a ranked tournament, navigate to the battle arena. So, makikita nyo din, mamaya yan, papakita ko sa inyo. You can see whether a tournament is running by viewing the countdown timers on this page. Next, join any battle ladder for which you are eligible. To win a tournament prize, you must place in the top 5. Okay, so top 5 of your ladder and successfully defend your position until the tournament ends. The price for the number 1 ranked finisher in each ladder is 2 times to 3 times kung ano yung price ng mga top 5. Okay? So, makikita niyo ayan sa nasa lower right. Sa ladder, beginner, intermediate, expert, matic, and so 1 to 30, 1 to 60, and so on. So, makikita niyo sa dulong-dulo yung price ng top 1. Ayan. Okay? Next! Ethermon NFTs. So, Ethermon or Ether Monsters or Mons for short. The Aethermon universe revolves around Aether monsters or Mons, which are stored on the blockchain and essential to gameplay. There are currently 103,472 Mons in existence. That's as of May 16 pa of this year. So, ngayon, mas marami na yan for sure. You can purchase Mons directly from our official store, buy them from other players on the decentralized market, or acquire them in-game even while playing for free. Okay? Either paying customer ka or paying player ka or ikaw yung naglalaro ng free, meron ka pa ring chance to acquire them in-game. Okay? So, equal opportunity yan. And mamaya, makikita din ninyo yung advantage ng player na may investment versus dun sa mga play to earn for free. Okay? Okay. So next is adventure items. Adventure items, booster shards number 1. Mons are born with an imperfect set of battle stats across 6 attributes. Health, primary and secondary attack, primary, secondary defense, and yung speed nila. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yan later on. However, each of these attributes is connected to a magical stone. Shards of these stones have been scattered across the adventure map and exist in 3 shapes. So, number 1 is diamond, next hexagon, and octagon. By combining all 3 shard shapes from the same stone, players can permanently boost one of their Mons attributes by a single point. So, yun yung pagle-level up or pagpapalakas ng mga Mons ninyo. This remains the only way to permanently improve a Mons base stats. Okay. Next is ito, energy system. So, I'm sure familiar kayo dito. Energy system, battling is fueled by an off-chain energy system that recharges every 12 hours at 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. UTC. So, kung nagtataka kayo, ano yung 8 a.m. at 8 p.m. UTC? Sa Philippine time, it's 4 a.m. tsaka 4 p.m. So, research na rin natin yan para alam nyo na rin. Hindi na kayo magre-research pa or mag-iisip pa. Anong oras yun? Or ganyan-ganyan. So, next, your energy is displayed on your quest and achievements and battle dashboards and cannot accumulate beyond a maximum amount determined by your investment in the game. Okay. So, like what I said earlier, ito yung may advantage si may na-invest tsaka si compared sa free-to-play. Okay? So, free-to-play, 10 energy limit. Players using off-chain monsters to play for free will be refueled up to 10 energy every 12 hours. So, in short, in a span of 24 hours or 1 day, 20 energy lang ang pwede ninyong ma-recharge. As compared to yung players na may purchase, 20 energy limit sila. Players who have purchased on-chain Mons will be refueled up to 20 energy every 12 hours. So, 12 hours multiplied by 2 para maging 1 day is 40 energy. Okay? Each battle costs 2 energy and forming a new team in tournament mode costs 4 energy. Except for the first time you join each ladder in which the energy fee is waived. Okay? Papakita ko rin sa inyo yan kung paano mag-form ng team later. Okay, battle stats. So, stats refer to the point values of the 6 attributes of a Mon that impact battles. So, kanina yung minention ko. So, you have health, primary and secondary attack, primary and secondary defense, and yung speed. So, when a Mon is born, its base attacks are randomly set and each attribute point falling within the range dictated by its species. This means that battle stats vary widely across Mons even at the same level within the same species. So, iba-iba yan. Lahat ng mga Mons, kahit parehas sila ng species, magkaiba sila ng battle stats. Ayan, marami-rami siya, pero pasadaan lang natin ng mabilis. Battle power, so yan yung attack power. Health, or yung HP, is, alam nyo na, yung health nung ano. Primary attack determines how much damage a Mon deals against an opponent's primary defense. Secondary attack determines how much damage a Mon deals on the secondary defense. So, primary attack, primary defense. Primary or secondary defense, secondary attack. So, ganun yung ano niya. So, hopefully nagigets nyo yun. Then, speed. Ayan, speed. Pagka sinabi nyo speed, familiar kayo dyan, lalo na yung mga nag-Axie or yung mga nakapag-research na about Axie Infinity. Speed determines which Mons attack first in a battle the Mon having higher speed attacks first. So, very, very critical yan. Very, very helpful yan. Lalong-lalo na sa endgame. So, alam na alam niya yan ng mga nag-Axie Infinity. Meron din tayong ginawang mga content about dyan sa strategy. Okay, so next, adventure items. So, first is level stones. At lower levels, Mons can level up relatively quickly. So, mabilis lang yan sa una. At higher levels, however, leveling up takes much longer. Players can find rare level stones at various adventure sites, allowing them to immediately advance a single Mon by 1 or 2 levels. So, yan yung mga pang-boost ng ng level XP. Okay? So, in short. Next is XP potions. Collect these powerful potions to increase your Mon's experience points by 50, 100, 200, and even 20,000 to help them advance faster to the next level. So, ayan, yung din. Parang level stones din, pero kumbaga, mas maliit lang yung dinadagdag niya. Okay? Next, a little history about yung Ethermon token. So, yan yung ginagamit natin to trade sa Binance or sa mga iba pang mga trading sites na pwede nating paglagyan yan. So, Ethermon has an existing token called Emont, E-M-O-N with T. Ayan T. That was created prior to the ERC20 standard. Okay? Now, Emont has now been discontinued and will be replaced by the new Emon token. So, E-M-O-N na, tinanggal lang nila yung T. Legacy token holders will be able to convert their Emont to Emon on the Ethermon website after the token generation event in May 2021. So, since nasa July na tayo ngayon, or August na pala, sorry. August 2021 na tayo, inexistent na yan. So, evolution nung nung token design, ayan yung una, ayan yung 2019, nagpalit lang ng kulay. Then, ito na yung 2020. Okay? So, next, revisions to the reward systems are currently in progress. You can earn NFTs and token prizes by completing specific daily and long-term quests through a range of in-game activities. Pending updates to the Ethermon reward system, this section will provide a complete breakdown of quests and the rewards for completing each tier of achievement within a quest track. So, meron ding quest yan na kailangan ninyo i-complete. May daily, may long-term para makakuha kayo ng mga NFT items. So, check nyo din yon. Hopefully, maging successful kayo dito habang mura pa yan. Papakita ko din sa inyo yung presyo niya. Medyo may presyo na din siya. Halos parehas na rin siya ng SLP. So, Ethermon in peso as of this recording, August 5. It's August 5 today. 11.34 pesos siya per Emon. And sa dollar, 0.229910. Yun yung yun yung value niya. Okay? So proceed na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung step by step paano mag-register, and then ano yung makukuha natin, and then paano yung gameplay niya. Simple gameplay lang naman, since ngayon lang din naman natin to ilalaroin para makitaan din niyo and magka-idea kayo. Anong itsura niyan? Parang Axie Infinity ba talaga yan or what? Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so yung website nila is ethermon.io. Ayan, makikita nyo sa taas, ethermon.io. So, login tayo. So, kailangan nyo ng MetaMask, Fortmatic, or Arcane. Pero tayo, normally, ang ginagamit natin dito sa Pilipinas, or pinaka-common na ginagamit natin sa Pilipinas is MetaMask. So, login lang tayo, login lang kayo dyan. So, login nyo yung MetaMask nyo. Kung wala pa kayo MetaMask, mag-register. And pag nakalagin na kayo, yan yung pinaka homepage ni ethermon.io. Okay? So, ang makukuha ninyo dyan, pag nagsimula kayo, is 3 na mons. Ayan yung binigay niya sa akin. So, 3 yan. So, dito sa Ethermon, ito yung market na sinasabi nila. Pwede kang bumili. Makikita mo naman yung presyo dyan. Ayan. Pwede ka din mag-rent. So, hindi ka pwersado na bumili lagi. Ayan, may 48 hours at 0.4. So, makikita mo naman yung ano niyan, yung mga available. Oops. So, pag kinlik mo yung ano mo, yung mon mo, yan yung 6 na sinasabi ko kanina dun sa slides na pinresent ko sa inyo. So, primary attack, primary defense, secondary attack, secondary defense, and yung speed niya. So, maximum speed nito is 95. Power of chain level, and tingnan natin to. So, makikita nyo din, ito namang mon na to, ang maximum naman niya na speed is 81. May maximum lahat ng mga ano niya, mga stats, battle stats. Okay? So, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung sinasabi kong battle or mga tournaments na pinresent ko kanina. Ayan yung 4. So, meron pang iba, mga coming soon, on-chain new mons, ladder number 6. Okay, so since bago pa yung mons natin, bago pa rin naman tayo, dito tayo sa level 1 to 30. And makikita niyo yan, ends in 5 days, yung sinasabi ko kanina, nakalagay yung time kung kailan matatapos yung tournament. So, let's go, enter now. So, eto na, nakalagay na siya, pero pag nagsimula kayo guys, pag nagsimula kayo niyan, wala pa yung mga yan. Wala pa. Kumbaga, blanco yan katulad nito. So, click nyo lang yung form team. And then, scroll down. Ayan, makikita nyo yung mga available na mons ninyo sa baba. Click lang ninyo, attack. Hindi pwede yung defense pa eh. So, click nyo lang to para madagdag siya doon sa team na gagamitin ninyo. Okay? So, test battle tayo. Select opponent. Ayan. And battle. So yeah, makikita ninyo. Confirm to attack. For each battle, you can choose to do a single attack or multiple ones. Each attack costs 2 energy. Only the last attack will pop up. Please check the rest of the battle history. So, ito, mga ilang ano lang. Kumbaga, kung ilang beses niya uulit-ulitin yung battle na yun. So, for this tutorial, pakita ko lang muna sa inyo, isa lang muna. Ayan. So, pagka-click ninyo nun ng battle, ano na yan? Automatic na yan. Bahala na siyang mag-attack-attack. So, yan ang difference naman kay Axie Infinity. Kasi si Axie Infinity, manual na attacking yung ano niya, yung gimmick nung kanya. So, ayan. Browser-based siya. So, wala siyang sariling software. And, sinecheck ko kanina, kung meron bang available na pwedeng times 2 or times 3 yung speed, wala eh. So, hintayin mo lang talaga siyang ano. So, ganda, kung kunyari nagmamadali ka man, pwede ka nang maglagay doon kanina na up to 5 attacks naman yung pwede mo iset eh. Tapos, ang ipapakita niya lang sa'yo is yung last, and then sa battle log mo na lang makikita kung ano yung nangyari doon sa ibang battles mo. Okay. So, tignan natin. Defeat daw. So, panalo si Wilfred. Congratulations, Wilfred. So, makikita niyo yung star. Meron siyang star dyan. And then, XP. And nag-XP tayo. Nag-XP din siya. Then, back na natin siya. Okay. So, pabang ano natin. So, huwag muna tayong pumasok dyan. Same lang naman din yung ano niya. Yung magiging battle gameplay niya. Parehas lang siya. So, adventure. Under construction pa siya. Starter store. Ito yung mga Ethermon na pwede nyong bilhin sa starter store. And then, yan, yung sa market, yung pinakita ko kanina, ito yung mga NFT na mga binibenta ng mga ibang players. Okay, so yun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. Basically, hindi naman siya ganun kakomplikado din. Madali naman siyang laruin. User-friendly. Pero again, yun nga guys, yung recharging ng energy, may advantage yung mga nag-invest ng mons or yung E-mon token dahil 40 energy ang pwede nilang i-refill sa isang araw compared dun sa 20 lang. You know, yung mga play to earn na mga ano natin, mga kaibigan natin na maglalaro nito, I mean, wala namang mawawala sa inyo. So, kung gusto niyo maglaro lang ng libre and then mag-earn ng libre kahit paunti-unti or hindi naman ganun kabilis, walang problema mag-play to earn for free lang. Pero dun sa may mga pera, may mga pang-invest, mas maganda kung gusto niyo gawing negosyo to, yun, mag-invest kayo ng konti. So, hopefully guys, nakatulong sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ang Ethermon, ano ang meron, ano yung mga dapat ninyong malaman, and ano yung gameplay para may idea kayo bago kayo mag-start. So, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please do not forget to click that like and subscribe button. And ano yun rin, click nyo rin yung bell and set it to all para updated kayo sa mga ina-upload natin. Maglagay din tayo ng mga content kung paano yung mga strategy, ano yung mga pwedeng gawin. And check nyo din yung description guys. Nilagay ko yung mga iba pang mga contents na ginawa natin. May mga other free NFT games tayo dyan. Check nyo, baka yun, pwede sa inyo din. So, see you on the next video and stay safe.